Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Am I the only dad that even your adult kids, my daughter is almost 20 years old, she's an E4 in the Navy, she's got her own money, but I went and picked up her car and I'm putting about $400 worth of work into it, so and that's just my cost. If she took it to a shop, it'd be quite a bit more, but am I the only one? Well, welcome back to the channel anyway. Today this 2014 Volkswagen Beetle is going to get a tune-up, so really just the the coils and the spark plugs. I found a cheap kit online. It runs pretty good, but it's like almost 120,000 miles, so oil's draining right now. I'm going to do the oil filter up on top and then pop this top off and put these cylinders in. This 2.5 is a 5-cylinder, so let's get right to it. The part that I'm pulling on. Oh, there we go. Why would you design such an abomination? This one is down here. Yeah. It's gonna be. Thing sucks. So you just push this little tab down and it releases, but the best way that I've known to do is take one of these little mini screwdrivers. Once you push this down with your thumb, put this in sideways and just kind of use it as a little lever, and that's going to go ahead and pop it right out. So push this down carefully. I'm gonna have to go along and do them all because this rail looks like it's all kind of one piece. So, oh, don't lose your screwdriver. Bad idea. This harness is annoying, man. I don't know how it is to see, but this, I had the whole harness, kind of got to work it from this end over, and one at a time, pull them across. Then you're good. Yeah, that was easy. No, not necessarily easy, but yeah, this whole harness, one at a time, kind of work, and then you got to lift it as well because it's in this little track here. So clean this off and then start pulling these out of here. Look at these new ones. There doesn't appear to be anything special. I don't see any clips or anything that is saying that these could break. So let me use my tools that are. Just pull, man. That's all there is to it. And this tool did help, so I'll save these because they're not bad. But now, 5/8 spark plug socket. Ooh-wee. Let's get the light on there. Yeah, compared to the other new ones. Holy moly, the tip is gone. Wow, it's like double the gap. These spark plugs have 120,000 miles on them. They're original Volkswagen. Now what I do is take the overseas here, not too much. Get some on the threads there. I call this Stubby Bob. It's my favorite for torquing down spark plugs. That's it. Alright, I'll do the other 4 just like that one. Now we'll start the car up. A few good things here. They all suck the same, so none of them were burning any heavier than the others. That's a good sign. But yeah, I think these are original VW wash. That much wear, 120,000 miles, I don't doubt it. Obviously these were. Good news on the new ones they did have. I was going to squirt some dielectric grease, but they already had a squirt of grease down in there. So I'm going to save these because they're probably good. Maybe I'll put them in the car for if something happens. But yeah, that was the tune-up. Thanks, guys. And again, do you do this to your daughter's car, kid's car, son's car? I used to do this to my family's car, but I did make them pay for parts most of the time. So I do need to make that happen. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do the free things, and we'll catch you on the next one.